In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini to turn your data into charts instantly right here in Google Sheets. So when working on some data and you want to quickly turn your data into charts, you can definitely use Gemini to do that. And this video is just part of our series where I show you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets. Also, if you need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Going back to the video, I have this sample data that I want to turn into charts. Now, I want to ask the help of Gemini to maybe suggest what type of chart would help me read my data better. So to do this, I'm going to go to Gemini here in the menu bar, click on that, and select Generate Charts. If you click on this would automatically open the Gemini panel on the right side and enter the prompt, Create Charts of this data. Right now, it's reading through our table and creating the charts that would suit it better for us to visualize our data. And here we have it. So it has basically created three charts that we can use to visualize or read our data. Also, it has explained what those three tables are for. So the first one would be total sales by product category. Here's the explanation. This bar chart shows the revenue generated by each product category. It highlights which categories are the biggest contributors to the total sales. Next one would be our units sold versus our total sales. This is a scatter plot which compares the volume of products sold against the revenue generated. And finally, our profit margin by product category. This is a bar chart which illustrates the profitability of each category, showing the percentage of profit earned from each sales in each group. And there you have it. Again, not only does it produce different type of charts, but it also explains what kind of data it represents. And there you have it. So you can choose one of these. You can insert one of them or all three of them. That's totally up to you. But if we do try and insert this one right here, the first one, which is our column chart, click on Insert at the bottom left corner of that chart. If I click on Insert right here, that would insert it in a totally new sheet. So right here we have our bar chart, which is totally editable. If I click on this one, we will have that ellipsis at the top right corner that will allow us to edit this chart. We also have a small table right here, which isolates the data that has been used for our charts. And there you have it. So that's how easy you can use Gemini to turn your data into charts right here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.